Hi guys, Alex Shuke here at All Seasons RV. Right next to me is the 2026 Vengeance Rogue 341 GS11. This camper is 40 foot long and it weighs a little bit over 12,700 pounds. This is a unique floor plan because it actually has an in-slide that save you on garage space or add a little bit more living space. So it's a very unique floor plan. We'll show you that in a minute. So Rogue is going to be a high-end fifth wheel toy hauler. They have a ton of great features, including aluminum framing with fiberglass sidewalls, and they even have a 360 docking light view. So when you're reversing onto your parking spot, your campground, your house, your barn in the middle of the night, once you hit your reverse, you'll actually have a 360 view because you have lights that light up on the sides, both sides, and even on the back. And as you see, you can even add some fun pole lightings on here if you would like to add them on almost any Rogue travel trailer and or fifth wheel. But all the cool stuff's on the inside, so come on. So now we're in the garage part. This garage part can be up to 11 feet, or as you see behind, it can be a little bit shorter because not all times are you gonna need all that garage space. Not all times are you gonna want all that living space. So I'll show you real quick on how this works. So this slide right now, it's giving you a lot more living space. But if you're hauling your big side-by-side, your fancy toy, something like that, all you have to do is hook up your slide. Now you have that 11-foot garage space. So like I said, not all times are you gonna bring your toys. So you don't always need that garage space. So you want a little bit more living space, you have it. Or once you get to your campground and your toy sits on the outside or wherever it is, you can add all that living room space, but still a ton of comfort features in here. Because in your garage, they actually do a manual happy jack system. I like simplicity. I love things to be as simple as possible. I don't like messing with a whole bunch of gears and everything. Because a lot of the times when you get with those high-end units, there's just so much. And I'd rather be able just to get there and be able to use everything that I have. So all you have to do is give her a good pull down. And then once she's down, then you just pull the other side and you're done. Now you have your bed. Now I know there's carpet in here. The carpet is not stapled down. All you have to do is lift it up when you're hauling your toy, and then you have a Durapoxy floor underneath. So they don't do the diamond plate in here because sometimes that diamond plate can be a nightmare to clean. So the Durapoxy floor is just a lot simpler and easier to maintain. So I bumped out that slide to give you all that living room space now that you might want during some of your stays. So you'll see your 3 recliner couch on your main slide, and then on your kitchen slide you actually have your TV, your 12-volt 16 cubic foot fridge, 3-burner cast iron stove, oven, more storage below, ton of counter space. You got a little coffee bar area right there. You even have stainless steel appliances with your regular debris spray nozzle. You even have a waterfalls feature. You even have an automatic stopper. That's what this is. So if you fill that up with dirty water, you don't have to stick your hand in there and pull that drain. You even get a cup washer on here. I mean, my sink at home doesn't have all those features. And then of course you're just like storage. That's key when camping. So your lock is up top. So it's hidden from the kids so that you don't have to worry about them messing with it. But then you have this oversized pantry. You have a little closet on this side. You can hang up clothes. You can even do, you know, your brooms, your mops, everything like that. And then a ton of pantry storage just because this is a big camper. You might stay for a couple weeks, so you're gonna need a lot of food. And then, like I said, this simply just locks back over and then you're in place. And now also, if you are extended stayers, this camper has 160 freshwater capacity. That is massive for this industry. Then let's go check out the bedroom. All right, So in your bedroom, you actually have a bed slide on here that gives you all this walking around room. You have a ton of storage on your bed. You actually have 3 cup holders on your backboard in here. You get your little walk-in closet area right here. You have a ton of cabinetry back here, and then a ton of hanging area. You even get a projector screen in here because they understand sometimes you want to watch the TV, sometimes you have a nice beautiful view. So you actually have your big bay window that does open, and then at night this is a blackout screen and your projector screen as well. You even have a ton of hidden storage, so you can keep a lot of safe and valuable stuff underneath there. Just remember to remove the sticker or else people will know that's there. But there's a ton of more features. I mean, you got porcelain toilets, you got a body shower, you have 200 watts of solar underneath, heating closed underbelly, thermal heating pads on your tanks, and I can go on and on and on. But if you would like to know more about this camper, feel free to call us at 330-564-0222. Visit our website as well at asrvs.com. And as of right now, I actually have a discounted 2025 of this exact floor plan. So if you're looking for a little bit better price, don't let it sit. But as always, I'm Alex Shuke and happy camping.